In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to place a trade inside of EasyMarkets. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and then go up to EasyMarkets.com. Then from here, it should bring something like this once you're logged inside of your account. Once you're in here, you'll see this page right here. And here you can go up and search for either the markets to trade, or you can see the top 10 entity that you can trade with. You can also down here click on Forex, shares, cryptos, commodities, indices, or metal if you want to trade with any of those. From here, you'll need to select one. So let's just choose Euro USD. And from here, you'll need to go over to the day trading tab over here. You can also choose Easy Trade or Vanilla Trade by clicking on these icons up here respectively. From here, you'll also need to go down to if you want to trade on the market with limit stop or stop loss. Once you've done that, you'll need to enter your lots or value, and then from here you can click in I want to buy 100 of these lots. Once you've done that, you can see down here on the margin required that how much it will cost. It will cost 100,000 euros for this tutorial. But from here you can either click sell or buy. You can also down here add a stop loss if you want to do that, or a take profit if you want to do that. But from here, you'll just need to click buy like so. And as you can see, thank you, you have successfully opened a new day trade deal, and then click OK. That's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya.